My name is Linda Zhou. Yeah, I just sold my house in Diamond Bar with Rudy team. And when first we meet at his open house in San Marino, I met Ben and I told him I wanted to sell my Diamond Bar's house. And as soon as possible, he got the open house, got everything ready, and got multiple offer, and on time to sell it. The agent is very professional and so kind. He do everything is so actively and smooth. Yeah, and I'm very glad to work with them together. One of the reasons I work with the team, Rudy team, is they have lots of people. They have 30,000 buyers ready to buy it. I'm really glad working with them. Yeah, I refer everybody. Yeah, this is a good team and to work with. Yeah, I hope we work together again very soon.